Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Origami Washington Monument from one square paper, no cutting, taping, or gluing. And check it out. And it stands. And special for my members only, I made a tutorial for an even simpler one. This one's shorter and wider. See? And it also stands. And also for members, I'm going to teach an origami jumping cat that you can actually make it jump over the Washington Monument. And that's actually the game. You have to try and make it jump over it instead of knocking it down. So if it knocks down, you lost. Oh, it went past it. There it is. See? Just like that. So these two models right here I'm going to teach for members only, and it's only about $5 per month. Okay, but without further ado, I'm going to show you how to make this Origami Washington Monument. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model I'm going to use a 6-inch square, but you can probably do it from a sheet of printer paper cut square. Begin white side up, and fold in half. We're making a square base. Okay, unfold, and fold in half this way. And take this corner and fold it to here. And turn over, and repeat. And open the pocket. Bring the sides together like that, and there it is. The square base. Okay, rotate like this so the open side is facing you. And take this corner and fold it to the top. And we're just going to make a crease mark. Like that. And now take these two corners and fold them to the middle. And turn over and repeat on this side. So let's fold, make a crease mark there, and fold the two sides to the middle. Okay, now take these two edges and fold them to the middle again. And make sure you hold the layers down so it doesn't slide. It might slide just a tad, but that's alright. Or if you're strong enough, it won't slide at all. Okay. And repeat on the back side. Make sure you hold the layers down. Okay, just like this. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this. Okay, yeah, I forgot one of the steps were. Okay, so we're gonna take this flap and we're gonna fold it up so that this corner touches the middle crease like this, and the fold is going to originate at this point. Like this, and also make sure you hold the layers down too so they don't slide. Okay, and repeat on this side. And on this side it's easier, you can just take this corner and fold it to that corner. Make sure you hold the layers down. It might slide a little bit, but that's fine. Alright, and repeat all that on this side. And you can match the fold with the edge below. Okay, and now, darn, it gets pretty small. Maybe I should have used a bigger sheet. Okay, we're gonna take this edge and fold them to the middle, just on the top. But we're gonna do it on the back side too, like this. complete on this side. Oh yeah, I should put my pencil down. Okay, like this. Now you fold this part up in between these 2 points. Unfold, turn over, and let's reverse the crease. Alright, and now we're ready to inflate it, or rather open it up. So, if your paper is big enough, you can use your finger, or if you have long enough fingers, you can do that. But if your paper is too small, like this, you can actually do it with a pencil. So, just take a pencil and just kind of just make it puff out like this, and that should be pretty easy. Oh, yep. And just shape it to taste. Okay, now fold these flaps inside. Like that. And once you did that, there is your Washington Monument completed. And yeah, I think it's a pretty cool model. And it stands like this. Yep. And what's really cool about it is that you can make it an origami jumping cat, which this is currently for my members only. You can make it, you can do a game, or you can make it jump over it. Oh, look at that, I just won. Because yeah, if it knocks over, then you lost. You have to start over. Oh my god! I'm pretty lucky. Yeah. I think this cat's pretty cool. Yep, and to access that tutorial, you gotta become a member. And it's only about $5 per month. So yep, so find the join button next to the subscribe button. Alright, well anyways, enough with that. Hope you guys enjoyed making this Washington Monument. Make sure you subscribe. And oh, let me actually see if it can jump over the simpler one. This is also what I'm teaching for members. Just a simpler version of it. Yep. I didn't actually try that. Oh, it hit it. Okay. Well, make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.